Hi, in this video, let me show you how to update your JVC Roku TV. Take the remote control, press the home button. Then over here, you're going to press the up arrow and select settings. Go down, again, press the up arrow to go all the way down to this list to select system. Press OK. And now over here, we're going to go down and select software update. Press on it, make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi, and then select check now by pressing OK. It will search. If there is an update available, it will be written right over there and you'll be able to install it. If you don't have any update pending, you're going to see all software is up to date, press OK, and you don't have to do anything. You can even see your version right over here. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.